Hello friends, and welcome back to our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. My name is Alex, and like always I'm happy and delighted to present this kind of videos and help you or their clients with the buy, sale and of course with rentals of real estate properties at our beautiful and sunny Costa Blanca region. I'm staying today at the city promenade of our nice city Torrevieja, and just 150 meters from here we want to show you a 3-bedroom apartment with 2 bedrooms, independent kitchens, kitchen nice space, 3rd floor, sunny balcony that is only located a few meters from this nice promenade. We are just 300 meters away to the beach of Los Locos this way, and if we go this way by this nice promenade, we will be in 200 meters away by El Cura beach. Everything is nearby, very centric area, and without more words, follow me and I will show you this nice apartment. So friends, and here we are after 3 minutes walking. I'm here at this nice apartment. It's located on the 3rd floor. It has an elevator, and yes, this is the 1st bedroom that we have on the right side. It actually has a good size. Next to it we have the 2nd bedroom. They are more or less same. That one is a bit bigger. Following we have the 3rd bedroom. It's the biggest one. Of course we have an inbuilt wardrobe and view to the opened Spanish patio, but it's not small. As you see, it's opened. It's very sunny. This is south facing, so you will have sun always in your bedrooms. And on the front, direct here, we have the bedroom. It has a bath, it's well kept, and window to another patio. So it's very lighty, very bright, and following I will show you the dining area and the living room and the 2nd bedroom. So by this long way we access to the 2nd bedroom with small shower plate on which we have the water boiler, the heater, and also window. I must to insist that it's very bright here. We have a lot of light because all the rooms have a window. What I also like from this apartment is this independent kitchen, because you have a door here. It's big. Actually, it has a very big size. As you see, it also has a window. And surprise, hola. And on here we have this bar that is very comfortable. You can close the door. You can close here, you can make your sardinas, that smells a lot, and it will not go to the living room. As you see friends, we have many space, a lot of space here in this independent kitchen that is unusual to see in a Spanish apartments. And following, we have the dining room with the living area. Air conditioning machine is also installed, so as you see, it offers many space to put a big table and enjoy with the whole family in this living area. And by the end, let's see this nice balcony. And by the end I will show you this balcony. It's not big, but it's enough to be here and feeling a little bit of Spanish outside, seeing the city. By the way, from the promenade direct here we have one supermarket direct by the way, so you don't need a car to get to the beach, get to the promenade, to get to the supermarket. So no car needed at all at our beautiful city. It's actually one of the best place where you can buy, because we have both beaches here. This area has a very nice and big rental potential. Soon the promenade of Los Locos beach will be completely renovated, so that will increase the value of this area here. Yeah friends, it's a big apartment, it's a very nice place. I will recommend definitely to buy this property because you have 100 square meters constructed area. You need to do some renovations. You can put it at your style, and below 200,000 euro this size of property is hard to find. So yeah, you can invest a little bit, renovate, and below 200,000 euro you will have this nice apartment with your own style and furniture. And one of the best places of Torrevieja city. So the price is 174,900 for this nice big apartment. If you need more details, don't hesitate to contact me. I leave you my contact details here. I'm always kindly respond all the questions, and yes, maybe something similar if you need to find other property, we're always able to answer all your questions or their followers. Share this video with your family, friends and lovers, subscribe our channel, and I see you next time at our YouTube channel of Alicante Real Estate. Adios.